Shelter. From Hawthorse nights where icy needles pierce chills along the length of my spine. From rainy days that bring forth nature's tears and fill these ears with sweet sombre music. From thieves lying in wait for the pub-ridden cabman's cart, throw the treacherous weight in the world in a perilous state. Shelter. To a place where hot meals defrost our frozen molds and comfort our souls. To a place where drops of rain don't go when jovial laughter replaces woe. To a place where naught is stolen through drink, game, or profanity. To a place where the world stands still for just a moment, and wayfarers rest for just a moment. Shelter.